Something like 96% of the world doesn't speak English as a first language. And if you are drawing your entire list from that randomly isolated 4%, you are, I hope obviously, missing out on most of the good stuff. It's an arbitrary constraint. It's like saying, well, I'm only going to accept submissions from left-handers and Sagittarians. Speaking as a left-handed Sagittarian, by the way, I have a manuscript you might like. Our tiny little 4 or 5% doesn't obviously have a monopoly on literary invention. It doesn't have a monopoly on imagination or innovation or thrilling plots or narrative style or irresistible characterization or high concepts or good jokes. That 96% is, of course, bursting with writers that I, like you, like any reader, might come to love, just as we love those who happen to have been born with the same language as us. If you doubt it, then you weren't brought up, as I was, on Asterix and Tintin and Pippi Longstocking and the Moomins and Emil and the Detectives and Pinocchio and any fairy tales at all, pretty much.